So I'm going to do a before and after picture or video of these pieces as we clean them today. This one's got some mud on one side, nice trigons all the way around. It's a very heavy piece. Already did a light cleaning on this one. And then this one will clean up nice. This piece down at the end here has got gold attached to it, but it's a little bit loose. And then this backside's got mud on it. I don't know if all the mud will come off from a water gun. And then this is the piece that's just going to be all, this piece is going to turn out amazing. We'll do that one last. Just like that, all the mud came right off.
Yeah. Well,
can you see that?
It just focused back.
Can you see it?
Yep.
That thing is super bright. This is going to be a cool one. Can you see it?
The light is, turn it a bit. You're getting a reflection. Yeah.
It's hard to see. Like, this type of gold is so hard to photograph. Oh, look at that. Look at the trigons. Can you see those? Hang on. This thing is killer. Oh my god.
The lighting's wrong here.
Can you see that?
Kinda. The lighting's
Well,
it's
hang on.
just
The lighting
so
reflective. You need
reflective.
the light off on the other side.
Here, you can see it this way. But yeah, it's super bright and just messes with the camera. That thing is just unbelievable. I'll do some photographs of it, but it just sparkles like diamonds.
Holy cow.
Yeah, hold it up. Oh, there we go. Right there, out of the light, it's actually good. Maybe we should turn one of these lights off. That's actually better. How killer is that?
The backside?
Yeah, it's so cool.
Here, let me zoom in on it. You see the front? Yeah, that's just amazing. Whew, look at that thing. Unbelievable.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay. So is that better with one light?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Gold goes all the way down. Look at that. that's freaking killer. Can you see that fairly good?
You're gonna have to switch around and do the same as left before.
Yeah, it does catch the light, but look at that thing. Hold it over the black. See what happens. Yeah, it's better. It goes in and out of focus. It's so bright.
Mm-hmm.
But that thing's just, you can just tell how amazing. Yeah, and the gold goes all the way down. That's going to take a little bit of acid to get that one off. All right, let's do this last one. Okay, this is the one. This is about to get super exciting. Can you see it, Tim?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, look at that plate down there. That is frickin', look at the crystals on that. Can you see it?
Pretty good. A lot of reflection, but it's showing up.
Yeah. That thing is unbelievable. Oof. Right out of the ground, man. Just water gun and that's it. Oh yeah, that cleaned that off. That thing does not need much more than that. How killer is that?
It's pretty cool looking.
Yeah. That is rocking.
Bring it over here. There, that's pretty good. Wow, yeah, that's great.
That is just... Look at it, just freaking dazzling. Yeah, that's awesome. All right, cool. I'll do some before and after still shots and throw those in the video as well.